I think the biggest, forget the money part, everybody thinks, oh, it's just a fad.
Yeah.
You know, it's like something that's come from the West.
Invest.
It's actually
The
truly who we, especially India.
Exactly.
We are an agriculture country. It's our heritage, it's our traditions, our roots. There's Vedic agriculture, and I mean, it goes very deep. You know, you also do things according to the planets, according to season. It's like I said, farmers are scientists. And we have just given them a very lowly grade. I remember one young girl working with me from Bangalore when she met the farmers, and she said, but they don't look like farmers, you know. And I remember the person who's organizing the other farmers, he said, what do you want them to look like? I mean, are they all meant to be poor and, you know, like in ragged clothes? Why should that be, you know? The one of this farmer and his son just went to Japan for one of the food exhibitions. It was so nice to see this, you know, enjoying things in a foreign country for the first time.
Right.
So they don't need. We need to give them a better status. We need to value them more.
Exactly. They are like datas, you know.
Imagine one day without food, and if they so decide, they can decide to only do things for themselves and forget about all of us.
Yes.
Are all of us going to get into agriculture and grow? And let me tell you, it's not easy. You will not even find the labor to do it.
Right.
And the cost of the labor will be more. That's why I stopped rice farming, because the cost of the labor was more than the cost of the rice, of the value of the rice. So that's when the farmers market became very close to my heart, because to support them is the best thing you can do.
Right.
Come to the market, talk to them with respect, thank them. My once a week mailer always says, please remember to thank the farmer. We don't do that. In fact, we'll argue with them about the price. You know, we'll find people taking beet. The beet leaves, carrot leaves are the healthiest.
Obviously.
More healthy than the beet.
They don't want to wait.
They want to weigh less, so farmer gets less.
Okay.
Or I shouldn't say they are trying to give the farmer less, but they are trying to pay less.
Pay less.
Even rich people, they will remove the beet leaves, throw it and take that. And it's very tragic to see this. Or they will take lettuce or cabbage and remove the top leaves. I mean, is the farmer supposed to do this for you as a, you know, I mean, what have you done for him that he should be growing food for you?
Right.
I think we really need to change our mindset.